What's up guys, and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So we have this question here that says the square root of m plus the square root of negative m is equals to 36. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to simply square both sides of the equation. So square both sides of the equation, and we have this to be the square root of m plus the square root of negative m all square is equals to 36 square. Expand the left hand side of the equation. We have this to be the square root of m plus the square root of minus m all square is equals to the square root of m plus the square root of negative m multiply the square root of m plus the square root of negative m. So expanding this, we have this to be the root of m multiply the root of m. We have this to be the square root of m all square. So we have this, the root of m multiply the root of negative m. We have this to be plus the root of m plus the root of negative m. The root of negative m multiply the root of m. We have this to be plus the root of m plus the root of negative m plus the root of negative m multiply the root of negative m. We have this to be the square root of negative m all square, right? So this is going to cancel out this. We have this to be m plus the root of m, the root of minus m plus the root of m, root of minus m. This is going to give us plus 2 of roots m and the root of negative m. So this is going to cancel out this. So we have this to be minus m. So expanding this, we have this. So equating it in this original equation, then we have the original equation to be m plus 2 roots of m square root of negative m minus m is equals to the square root of 36 is going to give us 1296. Alright, so from here we have this to be m minus m plus 2 into the square root of m into the square root of negative m is equals to 1296. M minus m is 0, so we have this to be this 2 into the square root of m into the square root of negative m is equals to 1296 right here. So what we want to simply recognize that the square root of m into the square root of negative m, this is equal to the square root of m multiply the square root of minus 1 multiply the square root of m, and we know that the square root of minus 1 is equals to I, so this is equals to the square root of m multiply I the square root of m right here. Okay, so we have this right here. So from here, this is equal to I into the square root of m all square, because if this multiply this, we have this right here. So this is going to cancel out this, and we have this to be I n. So therefore this equation is going to be 2in is equals to 1296. So the next thing we want to do is to simply divide both sides by 2i. So dividing both sides by 2i, we have 2im over 2i is equals to 1296 divide 2i. Okay, so this is going to cancel out this, and we have, so from here we have that m is equals to 1296 over 2i right here. So the next thing we want to do is to simply multiply the denominator and the numerator by negative I to rationalize the denominator. So to rationalize the denominator, okay, so doing this right here, we have that m is equals to 1296 multiply minus I over 2i multiply minus I. From this, we have m is equals to negative 1296 I over minus 2, because I times I is I square, which is 1. Okay, so we have this right here. So therefore we can say that m is equal to minus 1296 divide minus 2, we have this to be 648i, and this becomes the final answer.